It's a new year and there's so many new items out at Walmart. Let me show you. I'm blown away. I'm over here in the candle section and these new candles are so good. You guys, look up here. Now they have them in like taupe and then they also have this like ivory color. But the first one are these like ribbed pillar candles. They also have this one that they're calling a sweater candle. But this one, you guys, is only $5. That looks so high end. Then you have these to choose from. So you have this little one, another ribbed one, you have an arch option, and you have this smaller like ribbed candle option. I'm noticing this because I just bought one of these electric grinders on Amazon. These are so cool. You could essentially just press a button and all of the salt and peppercorns come out the bottom. This one's actually a little bit cheaper. It's very similar price to the one I have on Amazon. I will link to both of them. I feel like there's always new rugs here at Walmart. This comfort mat, I have one of these at my sink and I really like it. Mine's pretty boring and neutral, but they have this cute one by Pioneer Woman that I really like. And then this one also caught my eye. If you're still into the scallop detail, which I'm definitely into the scallop detail, this one is also by Pioneer Woman and really pretty. Grab an $11 drink dispenser for this next hack. Then you're gonna come over to the planter section and get this planter. All right, so you have both of your items here. We're gonna elevate this already gorgeous drink dispenser for our next event. So I feel like the pedestal where it's a little bit larger is going to work best. And all you're going to do is place your dispenser on top. Now you could do this with any planter you have, just I think the wider base is going to be better. Now we're gonna fill it up. Next, we're gonna add in some lemons and limes. Now I'm gonna fill it up with water, but you could put any beverage in here. You could try this at your next party, and the good thing is you didn't have to attach this to your vase, so you can reuse it somewhere else in your house. I've been so impressed with Pioneer Woman's cookware line, but one of the most gorgeous things she has is this tea kettle right here. This one at my store is green, but it comes in a variety of colors. Walmart is doing so good with their Pottery Barn vibes. This is the area in my store where they put out all the new home decor. It's in the same aisle, so I always know to come here and check. And you guys, this is the best I've ever seen it. I have so much to show you. We're just gonna start here and go down this way so you can see everything. This is a wooden bowl. If you're looking for a cool bowl to set out on your coffee table, this one would be great. They also have these mirrors here for $22, but check out these vases. You can get a glass vase. I know this was gonna be super popular. It definitely looks like Pottery Barn. Look at the little rope detail on the handles. This little scallop bowl being off-centered like this is so gorgeous. It would be great in a grouping, but this tray, you guys, look how good this tray is. Do we need this? Maybe, let's get it. This gold trinket tray, I feel like they've had this before, but this picture frame looks so high end, so nice. It's definitely a little bit more expensive. It's $18. And then they have these bow details. If you're still into the bows, this would be a great little hook. Let me know what you think. Are bows in or out? Are we keeping them in 2026? I'd love to know your opinion. But the thing I'm most excited about are all these new prints they have out. They have landscapes and florals. I feel like I need all of them. This print right here, you guys, under $10. This one is $10 as well. It's a 14 by 11, but if you're looking for something smaller, you can get a little tabletop round frame for $7. This is another one they have for $10. I've seen people post about these rattan metal bookends online. I really like those. Now this vase right here, you guys, this one matches this right here. So if you like this look, you might like this vase. Carrying on the bow trend, they have these little tapered candles with the bows. Now these, I've seen these on Amazon and they're always so expensive. These little boxes are great to put on your coffee table. They're just great for decorations, or you can put your remotes in here. I like doing that as well. Check this out. These little black candle holders are great as well. You could put 3 tapered candles inside. Now the thing I've never seen at Walmart are these, you guys. These are wall sconces. Now, what's cool about these is you don't have to have a cord or anything, and you can mount them right to your wall and use them with a remote. I have something similar to these in my house, but just love the detail, and they're pretty affordable, under $29. They also have this style, which is a little bit smaller. All right, I'm calling it right now. This is gonna be my favorite item that I found today, you guys. This wood box, are you kidding me? This is so nice. I am getting this. I love how decorative this is. So pretty. It's priced at $20. So I'm gonna pick up both of these picture frames, and I'm also going to get this wood box. My Texas house at Walmart has a whole new line of Valentine's Day decor. I ordered some of the pieces to show you what it looks like. I'm also putting these topiaries out on my front porch. I think they look absolutely adorable. The first thing that really caught my eye were these candle holders. I thought they were absolutely adorable. They are white ceramic bows. How cute. Since I got the candle holders, I had to get the tapered candles. So let's see what those look like. How cute are those? They are white candles with the red bows. So I got this variety, and then I also got a set of the pink ones. These have little red hearts on them. I also got a ceramic vase. I love how subtle the hearts are on this. I'm loving this mauve color. I feel like it's a very subtle Valentine's look. You could add this on any of your existing pillows. You can put this pillow cover over any pillow. This is one that I bought for fall, so I'm just gonna cover it. And to dress up my table, I picked up the table runner. These are some eucalyptus that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put them in my vase. I would love to know what candle you like the best, either the bows or the hearts. How perfect would these be for Valentine's Day? I'm definitely getting these for my girls. These are little snackle boxes. On the inside, they say love, and then there's also one that says XO. You can get it in the pink, or they have the red option. The price is under $10. Let me show you how you could put one of these snackle boxes together. I feel like these are gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day. I did go through and wash them out, and then I also picked up some candy at Walmart. I'm just gonna add this in. So I feel like I need a little bit more candy on the O and the V. So I would probably get 2 boxes if you're doing this for your letters. I know my girls are gonna love this for Valentine's Day, and it's something just a little bit different. They also have the Valentine's themed snackle boxes. You can get these in this like dark purple, love that color. They also have 2 different colors down there. It's kind of like a mint green and a dark green, but these colors are perfect. The other cool thing that's different than my snackle box that I have off of Amazon is each of the individual containers has a lid. That's great if you're gonna put something liquid in there and you put it on your side, it's not going to leak. And they have the heart handles. Last time we were here, they had that floral kitchen towel. This time, we think these are new. You guys let us know if you've seen these before. But this dish drying mat, it is nice, you guys. It's really thick, and then it's got a nice rubber backing to it. It's only $6 in a gorgeous pattern. They also have this. It's a 4-piece kitchen set. So all of your different pot holders, again, really nice and thick for $10. Now, I do feel like the lamps have gotten a little bit more expensive, but I don't buy a lot of lamps at stores anymore. Usually I will thrift them and just redo them. This rattan one right here is gorgeous, but it's $40 and I feel like a little bit smaller. Now the larger lamps they have over here are priced right under $40. Some of them are $40. I do like this one a lot, but you are gonna have to get the lampshade to go with it. So by the time you add a $20 lampshade and the lamp, you're at $60. And if you need 2, that's $120. So I feel like I'm gonna stick with thrifting my lamps for a little bit. No, I'm wondering if Walmart's trying to make room for some new items because my store actually has some of their really good stuff on clearance, like these little tapered candles. These are gorgeous. These gold tapered candles, they're on clearance at my store. They also have the black ones on deal. Over here, you're also going to find this really gorgeous bowl. This is great to sit out in your home, very decorative. They also have some good trays. Like this is a nice metal tray. You could put this in your kitchen, bathroom, living room. It would fit in so well. And then they also have this gold tray option. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is vase. This arched floor mirror is so nice. It is a little bit pricey. It's at $89. Now they also have some wall mirrors for under $20 that are new, and I just love that thin gold detail. Now if you come over to the floral section and you get a little bit overwhelmed, you're like, I don't know what to buy, I don't know what's gonna look good, let me show you what to pick up and what to keep an eye out for. If you're like me, you like that Pottery Barn look, these are the florals that I would pick up. This first one I actually got last year. It comes in a bundle of 3, but these are really natural, perfect in a vase. This is a new one I think they didn't have last year. It has these like purple stems, but it's still neutral enough that it would look great in your decor. And these are a new one too that I think would be really nice in a vase and look super high end. I'm gonna get one of these and show you how to put it together. Now, because these stems are really long, you can put them in a big vase like I'm gonna do here, or you could always cut them, bend them, and put them in a smaller vase. Now this vase, you guys may have remembered this. I thrifted it. It had this like big crack in the back. So I went ahead and just added some E6000 to put that piece back on. Then I did this de-stressing paint finish on it to really make it look worn. Yes, you can still see the crack, but it's usually facing the wall, so I don't mind. This is not a vase that I could put out, you know, sitting on a table, but it's great facing the wall. And I wanted to see how these stems look in here. Each of these stems come in a bundle of 3, which I actually am gonna try to keep together because I feel like that just kind of keeps them in place a little bit more. I bought 4 bundles of these and they are pretty bendable. So if I want to make them kind of swoop out more, I can do that as well. So I'm going to just kind of put them straight up and I'm not bending them at all. And because this vase is so big, I'm going to set it out as a floor vase. This little wicker vase, I've been looking for it. My store has not had it, but honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I really like the rattan vase from My Texas House a little bit better. It's over in the outdoor planters. They just put it out, and I feel like that vase is a little bit better than this one. But there's so many great vases to choose from. You have this option right here for $16. They also have like this black detail one. I know this one's gonna be really popular. This looks very high end with the 3 different handles. This is such a cool, unique option. This looks like something we could honestly DIY with the florals in it. Really pretty, and this one's unique as well. This big basket is definitely giving Pottery Barn vibes. This would be great in your living room or for a bunch of pillows. This is the newest stuff they have out right now at Walmart. This scallop tray, you guys, where have we seen this before? I feel like I've seen it. They now have it here at Walmart. Maybe I've seen it at Walmart, but they have these great spring colors. All of the purple here. This is really cute. You can get this for under $10. Probably the best item they have up here is this little basket right here. You can hang it up. It's great for mail, or you can put your florals in here. Okay, let me show you down here. They have those same items, but they're in blue, so you can get that same item. Vases, florals, and then they have all these different room sprays and candles. I think the item that I was most drawn to is this tiny little lamp here. It's $12, but it is really small. If you're wanting to get your closet organized before you go to a really expensive store like the Container Store for these large acrylic pieces, check here at Walmart. They have really been impressing me with the stuff they've had out lately. Now, last year, I bought these boot storage organizers and I liked that they came with lids. I thought that was very clever. But this year, some of the new items they're getting are these little drawers. These are small, clear drawers that you could put in your closet and you could stack them on top of each other. They have a small, a medium, and a large version, so you can get the size that works for your space. Also, these open front acrylic organizers are great. You can stack one on top of each other, or they have lids. Now at the beginning of the year, you want to come over here and look in the basket section because Walmart always comes out with a few new baskets. They always look high end. This one with the black detail on the top is gorgeous. I could see you using this as a functional tray or it could be decorative. Now this is another one I have seen before, but I have to say I'm not a big fan of it because it looks messed up on both of these. I'm seeing strings coming out, so I probably would not get that one. This one though, this little $34 rattan basket, if you need a basket for your room, for blankets or pillows, why not get this? It's super sturdy. Now, places I get baskets like this are either at Walmart, sometimes I can find good ones at Home Goods as well, but I really haven't found anything this big for $34. If you have one of those cube organizers and use these fabric bins, I've never seen them as nice as this. They're by Better Homes and Gardens, and they have these fabric bins. Now, they're pretty pricey. They're right under $10. They're more like the ones you would get at IKEA, but they're super sturdy. I love the fabric detail on this one. They also have this one that has like the leather handle, and you have this black one. Now I will say this one looks really cool, but I would be a little worried about the rattan maybe scratching. So I don't know if I'd get this one. If I was gonna get these, I'd probably get this fabric one. I feel like if I had this large of a laundry basket, I probably wouldn't do my laundry as often, but I love how it's vented like this. It does come with some wheels that you could put on the bottom, so this would be great to wheel around, and it's only $8. I bought one of these scoop sets a few months ago in the hot pink, absolutely love it. They now have it in purple, and you can get it in the gray. They come with matching pants. This is what the pants look like. I have these gray pants, and I have them in pink. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love all the clothing here at Walmart, including this set. So adorable. It's a pink camo. You get the hoodie, zip up, and the sweatpants. I ordered mine in a medium. Now, if you're looking for any of the clothing that I'm showing you, I'm gonna link it for you down below in the description box. Just click the arrow down and you'll see all the links. They also have my hoodie in this little t-shirt. This year, the detail on the side of jeans or sweatpants are really trendy right now. These sweatpants have a little lace detail right here. They have them in pink. I've also seen them in blue. And then check out these sweatpants right here. They have bow ties on the side. Adorable. Now, I did pick up a few of these tees because they're under $10. They have this really cute like sweet peach one, and then I liked this lemon one. This one says Jackson Hole. They have a New York one. I haven't seen that one before. I really like that. And then they also have this one that says Rhode Island. I think I'm gonna get this Rhode Island one. I've seen a few people wear this 97 sweater online. I think it's adorable. I think that would be a good one to get. And then this is a viral item. I will say I tried these on and I didn't like the way they fit me. They look like Adidas track pants and they have the lace detail on the side. You can also get those same pants in pink. If you watched my Dollar Tree video, you guys may have seen this heart sweater. This is what I'm gonna be wearing for Valentine's Day, and I think it's perfect to wear this time of year. Now, usually I'm worried that sweaters like this are itchy. It is so soft and so cozy. I absolutely love this one. I'll link it for you down below. Now, if you come to Walmart and you're looking for pajamas, I want you to look for the Joyspun brand. Of all the pajamas I've tried here, these are the best. They just came out with some new Valentine's options. There's so many adorable ones, and they just have some pink girly ones, and the Joyspun pajamas are so soft. I just did a big order where I got some that are so high end. There's floral ones. I got some with bow details. I absolutely love them. And then I also got a few Valentine's options. If you're looking for anything in today's video, I will link it for you down below, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.